Hey everyone, my name is Matthias, and in this video I want to talk about the concept of a lifestyle business. And what lifestyle business actually means is that you simply build a business that supports the lifestyle that you want to have. And I heard about this term a few years ago and didn't really notice that this was always what I was trying to achieve. Well, I want to talk about the points that are important for me personally. So things that help me to decide what my business would look like. And yeah, as I mentioned, for me it was important to be able to work from wherever I want. So it's like this being able to do this digital nomad lifestyle if I wanted to. And having control over my own time and place. So being able to decide from where I want to work and when I want to work. Do I start at 8? Do I start at 9 or maybe at 10 a.m. in the morning? Well, this is some control that you can have having your own business. And yeah, also what was important to me is that I can decide who I want to work with and what kind of projects I'm working on, because especially in the beginning of my career, I liked to explore many different fields, and I didn't know if I could do this when being employed in a company. So that was also a reason for me why I started my own business that lets me in an area that actually lets me do this. As a designer, there are many areas that you can go into. What's important to keep in mind is that not every time you start your own business, it means that it can support the lifestyle that you want. Because, for example, let's say you work together with some investors, then the success of your company might mainly be measured by the revenue that you are making with it. And I think this makes it a bit different from a lifestyle business, because there it's more important that it supports your lifestyle, but not the goals that maybe investors have for your company. Or to put it in other words, how I recently read it on a blog by Corbett Barr, I hope I pronounce this correctly, is a startup's job is to grow big enough to provide a return to investors. A lifestyle business job is to provide a great quality of life for its owners. So yeah, there you can probably see what the differences is and how your business could possibly also constrain you. Well, I'm wondering what your ideal lifestyle business would look like, or maybe how it already looks. Please let me know also your thoughts on the concept itself. Feel free to share it in the comments. And well, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.